Well, here you go, McSalty. The boat you asked about is considered an 850 modified outboard hydro. You saw the video, runs pretty fast. Boat is a lay-down style boat, runs 12.5 foot long. Got a 38-inch wide bottom on it with a small tunnel in it. We towed it around to the races into the water on a little dolly cart. That's how we launch them. Sometimes it can be done with a one-man crew. Starting's another story. The boat you lay down in, it's got a hand throttle. It's called a dead man's throttle. So once you release it, it shuts the butterflies closed on the carburetor. Got a pulley steering. Got a kill switch lanyard, wraps around your wrist or attaches to your life jacket. Canopy flips up. Inside the cockpit I have a pad that I lay my chest on. Fuel tank sits between my legs. My feet go in those slots. It's almost like standing on a ladder when you're driving it. Runs pulley steering. Comes off that center spool hub. Goes to the steering bar and then comes back to the combing side. Motor clamps on. It's a modified Frankenstein motor. Yamaha powerhead. Aftermarket midsection. Mercury XS gear case. Run a 4-blade prop and pretty much surface drive that prop. About half the prop shaft's in the water when I'm running at full tilt. There you have it. Hope that explains it for you. If you want to check the rules, check the American Powerboat Racing Association website. Rules are listed under the 850 modified CC class.